Ooh, another crypto company has fallen. Bitcoin could sink to even lower values. Dojacoin soars 25%. Another insane week in the crypto space. Watch until the end to see. Hey there, Jason here, ready to share the latest weekly news on cryptocurrencies. Watch until the end of the video to find out how low Bitcoin can drop and in turn what we believe the future looks like for cryptocurrencies. US cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The company has fallen as a consequence of the collapse of FTX. With being one of the companies bailed by FTX recently, their fate has become bleak as FTX faced its big decline. Mark Renzi of Berkeley Research Group has shared this statement. With the collapse of FTX, the BlockFi management team and board of directors immediately took action to protect clients and the company. From inception, BlockFi has worked to positively shape the cryptocurrency industry and advance the sector. BlockFi looks forward to a transparent process that achieves the best outcome for all clients and other stakeholders. Well, BlockFi had halted withdrawals and customers have been asked not to submit any deposits to BlockFi wallet or interest accounts. With the demise of FTX, this collapse is not entirely shocking, as their fates are greatly intertwined. Speaking of a significant collapse, could crypto really sink to as low as $9,000? Well, one thing is clear. It isn't only BlockFi that was affected by the FTX collapse. The cryptocurrency industry in general is feeling its effects. Bitcoin is persistently staying below the critical resistance of $16,000, but InTheMoneyStocks.com chief market strategist Gareth Soloway believes it could sink even lower. But how much lower? Well, possibly as low as $9,000 in 2023. With the S&P 500's performance after the Lehman Brothers collapse, and with the stock market's decline by 40 to 45%, he calculated with the same formula that Bitcoin can indeed sink to $9,000. With that said, Soloway has also shared that personally he is bullish on gold. And with the uncertainty of crypto at the moment, he remains fixed and focused on gold, stating that although it's a little trickier with Bitcoin now because as Bitcoin gets to a low, it's a little harder to think about. If it bottoms out in June or May of 2023, where is it by December? So it is a little trickier, but I still would go with the safety of gold with the uncertainty in crypto right now. Aside from BlockFi filing for bankruptcy and Bitcoin's possibly big decline to $9,000 next year, Ethereum is also not doing so well. Ethereum is looking weak as its price loses key demand zone $1,200 again. Though it has bounced back to a region of $1,300 from its weekly low of $1,080, the crypto space in general remains uncertain. With many cryptocurrencies feeling the wrath of FTX demise, there is one token that seems to be doing well. Still, Dojacoin is doing really well, with its link to the upcoming launch of a lunar satellite directly related to its brand. People are counting down for the launch of SpaceX Falcon 9 with Doji-1 and IM-1 Nova C lunar payloads, set to take off from Kennedy Space Center in Florida, January 14, 2023. Should the plans of Doji-1 lunar satellite push through, and also with the asset being integrated as the payment method on Twitter, Dojacoin could possibly skyrocket to record highs. Yes, with Elon Musk's new reign on Twitter, Dojacoin is positively impacted. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk shared a discussion in one of the company's talks in which Twitter 2.0 was unveiled. This app will be branded as the Everything app. Although not a lot of information is out there yet, Musk has revealed additional features that consumers can look forward to, such as long-form tweets, the relaunch of Blue verified payments, and encrypted DMs. With its payment method unannounced yet, based on Musk's association with the token, people are indeed expecting it to be Dojacoin. Hey, while we're sharing positive news, the founder of crypto capital venture Dan Gambardella has also shared his insights on the legal battle between Ripple Labs, XRP, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Gambardella stated that a Ripple statement could be epic for crypto, potentially a defining moment to ring in the bottom of the bear market, quote unquote. The timeline requires that motions for summary judgment in the SEC versus XRP be replied to by November 30th, at which point all briefings will have been completed and a ruling from Judge Torres is expected. Brad Gardlinghouse, Ripple CEO, believes that a settlement may be possible if the commission considers Ripple's native token XRP as non-security. He He also added that the landmark lawsuit will most probably be decided by a judge and not a jury, which will hasten the process. Former congressional candidate and founder of Gokhshtein Media, David Gokhshtein, is hopeful that if Ripple wins the case, the whole industry will go parabolic and we'll see exponential growth. In conclusion, it definitely is something that the cryptocurrency industry needs at the moment, and only time will tell which way this case will go. But for the crypto space's sake, I surely hope it's on the winning side. Thanks so much for watching our weekly updates on the biggest headlines in the crypto space. Expect another weekly update next week to give you the lowdown on what's going on in the crypto world. Until then, Crypto Knights, bye-bye.